Hello my dear kids, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy at your places. Stay home, stay safe. This is your English teacher Himani Joshi from DPS Haldwani, Lamachor. So kids, before starting our today's chapter, give me the answer. Why do you like to live with your family?
Because we care for each other, we love each other.
Yes, we can't even imagine our life without our family. In a family, all the members take care of each other, love each other, share emotions, sorrows and joys. We all love our families. So kids, I hope you all have your siblings too. With our siblings, we share our emotions, we play with them, we care for each other and do many things. Okay? So, which is the silliest thing your siblings do? We all have our younger brother or sister. So, what they do? Sometimes they do the funniest thing. Why? Because they don't know about the things. They are
Too young.
They are unaware about the things that happen in the society. Okay? Sometimes they think that the pebbles, the stones are the food. When we scold them, they laugh hilariously. They think that we are loving them. They are so lovable. We all love our little brother or sister. Why? Because they are so cute and they do the activities which seem to be cute. Okay? And sometimes we call them silly lovingly. Okay? We call them silly but with love. We like to be around them. Because of them, we laugh. They make us happy with their activities. Okay, dear kids, now let us read the chapter My Silly Sister. First I read, then you all will repeat after me. Mother, your baby is silly. She is so very childish. Silly means foolish. Childish means like a child. She does not know the difference between the lights in the streets and the bright stars. So, in this story, a child says his mother that, Mother, your baby is very silly and childish. She even does not know the difference between the bright stars and the lights in the streets. When we play with pebbles, pebbles means small round stones. She thinks they are real food. So, the child says that whenever we play with the pebbles, pebbles means whenever we play with the small round stones, she thinks that the stones are the food. She even tries to put them into her mouth. So every time when they play with these small round stones, his sister always tries to put them into her mouth. Why? Because she thinks that they are the real food. When I open a book before her and ask her to learn ABC. She tears the pages with her hands and roars with joy at nothing. This is your baby's way of doing her lessons. So then the child says that mother, whenever I open a book before her and ask her to learn ABC, she just tears the pages and gets excited and seems to be very happy. I don't know why, but this is really silly, and this is the way of your babies doing the work. When I shake my head at her in anger and scold her or call her naughty, naughty means to behave badly, okay? She laughs and thinks it great fun. Okay, so then the child says that whenever I scold her, she thinks that I am loving her. She shows a great fun. She laughs and thinks that it is a great fun. Okay, and now the boy says, everybody knows that father is away, but sometimes I call out father playfully. Playfully means full of fun. Now the child says that mother, whenever I pretend that father is around us, she believes me. But everybody knows that father is not here. Okay? She looks quickly about her in excitement. Excitement means full of fun and thinks that father is near. So, whenever the child pretends that their father is near, she believes, and with excitement she looks here and there to search their father. Sometimes I hold a class with the donkeys that our washerman brings to carry away the dirty clothes. Dirty means untidy. Washerman means a person who washes clothes. So whenever the washerman brings donkey with him to carry away the dirty clothes, I pretend that I teach the donkey and she believes. I warn her that I am the schoolmaster and that she better not make any noise. Only then she keeps quiet. I insist. Insist means to demand, to make something or somebody agree that she should call me Dada. So, whenever he pretends to teach the donkey and tells his sister that he is a schoolmaster, and then he scolds her and tells her to remain quiet, and she really believes that, then only she remains quiet. The boy asks his sister to say him Dada. Your baby wants to catch the moon. She even wants to catch the moon. She is really funny. Mother, your baby is really silly. She is so very childish. So, The boy says his sister silly and childish with love. In reality, he loves his sister very much. He enjoys the activities of his sister. So kids, why does the child say silly and childish to his sister? I think he says silly and childish to his sister with love, because he loves his sister very much. He enjoys the activities of his sister. He knows that his sister is
very young.
she doesn't know about the things. That's why she behaves like that. And in reality, the boy enjoys the activities of his sister. He loves his sister. He cares for her. Okay. Now the chapter is finished. You have to read the chapter twice. After that, you have to do the new words. The new words are, you have to repeat childish. Childish. C-H-I-L-D, then I-S-H. C-H-I-L-D-I-S-H. Childish. Next is pebble. P-E-B-B-L-E. Pebble. Pebbles are the small round stones. So here it is pebble. Small round stone. P-E-B-B-L-E. Pebble. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Now dirty. D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty. Anger. A-N-G-E-R. Anger. Excitement. E-X-C-I-T-E-M-E-N-T. Excitement. Playful. P-L-A-Y-F-U-L. Playful. Next is naughty. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Naughty. Now the next and the last is washerman. W-A-S-H-E-R-M-A-N. Washerman. Now repeat after me. Childish. Pebble. Donkey. Dirty. Anger. Excitement. Playful. Naughty. Washerman. Now again repeat. Childish. Pebble. Donkey. Dirty. Anger. Excitement. Playful. Naughty. Washerman. So kids, what you have to do? You have to first of all mention the date, then unit number 8, then the name of the chapter, My Silly Sister. Thereafter, you will write these new words in your notebook without any error. After that, you have to learn also. Okay, break down the spellings to learn them. Okay, before that you have to read the chapter 2 times. Okay. Now in our next video we will do the word meanings and question answers. Okay. Before that, please complete your work of all the subjects. Stay at home. Do yoga every day. Okay. Thank you for listening to me patiently. We will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.